In front of me is CUBOT X30, and let me show you how to download Mozilla on the following device. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store, then enter Mozilla Firefox in the search area. So here we've got Mozilla Firefox, tap on install then. And here you can observe the progress. Obviously, meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way. So you can call your friend, watch some movie, search the browser, and then if you open Play Store again, you'll be able to see that it's still working in the background, so you will be able to detect the progress. Let us wait a couple of seconds until it's done. As you can see, it's been already downloaded, and okay, so now it's been even installed, so we can smoothly open it by tapping on open. And that's it. This is how you can smoothly and easy download this browser, and obviously it works the same way for any app that you would like to download via Play Store. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.